Hello students, Dr. Poonam here with her new video about Kanthapura, the novel Kanthapura by Raja Rao. This novel is prescribed in the syllabus of Maharaja Ganga Singh University, Bikaner, paper 9, Indian writing. In this novel, I will tell you about all about Kanthapura, Raja Rao. This is my first video of Kanthapura, and we will discuss in this video about the author, about the novel, and about the characters, etc. So, this is, as you see in the picture, that here you see the picture of the village Kanthapura. Kanthapura is a village in South India. So this is the picture of Kanthapura. Now I will tell you about Raja Rao. Raja Rao was an Indian writer of English language, novels and short stories whose works are deeply rooted in metaphysics. Raja Rao comes of a very old South Indian Brahmin family. He was born in 1909 in the village of Hassan in Mysore. His father was a professor of canneries in Hyderabad. After having matriculated from Hyderabad, he went over to Aligarh for higher education. There he was lucky enough to come into contact with Professor Dickinson. He inspired him to study French language and literature. He took his BA degree from Nizam College, Hyderabad. He was awarded government scholarship by the Hyderabad University, and on this scholarship he went to France to continue his study of French literature there. So, he was born on 8 November 1908, as I told you, Hassan, Karnataka. Hassan village is situated, as I told you, in Karnataka. Died on 8 July 2006, Austin, Texas, United States. And the awards of Raja Rao are Padma Vibhushan, Neustadt International Prize for Literature, Education, University of Madras, University, Aligarh Muslim University, and notable awards are the Sahitya Academy Award 1964. So, in India, when he was living in India, he was in search for a guru. And on his return to India in 1940, he went to Banaras so that he might have a first-hand knowledge of the spiritual tradition of India. In Banaras, he actively considered for some time whether he should renounce the world and turn a sannyasi. He was saved from this disastrous course through his meeting with Swami Atmanand, the great Vedantic scholar, whom the novelist accepted as his guru, guide and mentor. So, he was in search for a guru in India when he returned to India. So, now we see about novel Kanthapura. This is the story of a village in South India named Kanthapura, written by Raja Rao. ये जो नॉवल की स्टोरी है, ये कंथापुरा एक गांव है साउथ इंडिया में, उसी के ऊपर बेस्ड है. और समय कौन सा था? प्री इंडिपेंडेंस, आज़ादी से पहले का. He was an excellent writer, and the simple story of a village life is depicted in an extraordinary way in this creation of his. The title of the story is kept by the name of the village only, so the title truly signifies the story. The story of Kanthapura is narrated in flashback, and this is the first novel of Raja Rao, and in many ways his most perfect and satisfying work. It was written in France, thousands of miles away from India, and yet it gives a most graphic, vivid, and realistic account of the Gandhian freedom struggle in the 1930s and its impact on the masses of India. मासेस, इंडिया की जनता पर इसका क्या प्रभाव हुआ, ये सब इसमें दिखाया है। गांधी की फिलॉसफी का, गांधीयन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल का, गांधी ने हमारी आज़ादी के लड़ाई में कितना संघर्ष किया, उस स्ट्रगल को इस नावल में बहुत अच्छी तरह से दिखाया गया है। द टाइम ऑफ एक्शन इज़ 1930 एंड द सीन ऑफ एक्शन इज़ कांथापुरा, ए टिपिकल साउथ इंडियन विलेज on the slopes of the western Ghats. Murthy is the central figure, is a young man educated in the city. And the story is narrated in flashback by Achakka. Achakka is a wise woman in the village. She, like her female audience, whom she addresses as sisters, has survived the turbulence of social and political change which was induced by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi's passive resistance against the British government. Achakka provides a detailed picture of the rural setting, establishing both an ambience and rhythm for the novel. As I will tell you the story of Kanthapura in short now. In short, I will tell you the story. So, Murthy, who is the central figure, is a young man educated in the city. Murthy इसमें एक central figure है. Murthy इसका protagonist है. He is a staunch Gandhi man, and the Gandhian civil disobedience movement comes up to this remote secluded village. When Murthy comes from the city with the message of the Mahatma, he goes from door to door, even in the Pariah quarter of the village. There were Pariah quarter also in the village, and explains to the villagers the significance of Gandhi's struggle for independence. सभी को वो बताता है कि गांधी जी की इस स्ट्रगल में कितनी सिग्निफिकेंस है, कितना महत्व है. He inspires them to take to chakra spinning and weaving their own cloth. वो इंस्पायर करता है. मूर्ति सभी गांव वालों को इंस्पायर करता है कि आप चरखा चलाइए और अपने कपड़े खुद बनाइए. Soon the Congress committee is formed in Kanthapura. Publicity material is brought from the city and freely circulated in the village. A volunteer corps is formed, and the volunteers are trained and educated so that they may remain non-violent. In the face of government repression, in this task of organizing the freedom struggle in Kanthapura, he is helped by Ratna, a young lady of progressive and enlightened views, and Patel Range Gowda, the Sardar Patel of the village. ये character है. Now, as I am telling the story, so I can tell you the characters of the novel also. That Ratna is also a character in the novel, a young lady. You can see here the characters of the novel. Murthy, the Gandhian man protagonist. He is a protagonist. He is a Gandhian man. Achakka, the old widow, she is the narrator of the story. Bade Khan is a police officer. He is also an important character. Sahib and New Sahib are also the important characters. Ratna and Rangamma. Ratna is the young lady in the village, and as I told you, that he is helped by Ratna, a young lady of progressive and enlightened views. And Gauda. Kanchamma. Kanchamma is very important. The goddess in Kanthapura and other characters are also there. I will tell you about these characters later on. And we will continue the story now. We will continue the story. And who is Patel Range Gowda? The Sardar Patel of the village. The Red Man's government, on its part, takes prompt steps to counter the moves of the Gandhi men and to contain the movement. Policeman Bade Khan. As I told you, Bade Khan, so he is a policeman, is posted in the village and he is actively helped and supported by Bhatta, the Brahmin. Bhatta enlists the support of a Swami in the city who seems to be a powerful religious authority and wields much influence on the ignorant people of the village. He threatens to excommunicate all those who fraternize with the Parihas. Murthy is actually excommunicated and a few desert him. But on the whole, the people remain undaunted and firm in their support to the गांधी मूवमेंट. लेकिन लोग बहुत ज़्यादा गांधी मूवमेंट को उस गांव में सपोर्ट करने लगे मूर्ति के कारण. Reports regarding to the Dandi March of the Mahatma to break the salt law and the enthusiasm it had evoked throughout the country reached the village and so much to boost the public morale. रिपोर्ट्स पूरे देश से पहुंच गई कि महात्मा गांधी दांडी मार्च कर रहे हैं सॉल्ट लॉ को तोड़ने के लिए, नमक का कानून उसको तोड़ने के लिए, और बहुत ही देश में एंथुजियाज्म था इस मार्च को लेकर. सो ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा गांव में इसकी चर्चा होने लगी. सो सून दे आर सत्याग्रहs and picketings. The villagers, under the leadership of Murthy, offer satyagraha outside the toddy plantation. There is police lathi charge and many are wounded and hurt seriously. There is police lathi charge on the satyagrahis. सत्याग्रहियों को पुलिस ने लाठी चार्ज किया. A large number of people are arrested and sent to jail. This is followed by the picketing of the toddy booth outside the Skeffington Coffee Estate. There was an Skeffington Coffee Estate. Government repression is even more ruthless this time. Even women, children, and old men are not spared. The suffering of the fellow villagers touches the heart of the workers of the Skeffington Coffee Estate, and they too join their suffering brethren. The atmosphere resounds with shouts of Mahatma Gandhi ki jai. Even larger numbers are arrested. Murthy is also arrested and sentenced to a long term of imprisonment. In his absence, Ratna looks after the Congress work in the village. मूर्ति को जेल भेज दिया गया और उसकी एब्सेंस में रत्ना कांग्रेस का काम गांव में देखने लगी. वीमेन आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड ट्रेन्ड. स्त्रियों को भी ऑर्गेनाइज कर लिया रत्ना ने और ट्रेनिंग देने लगी. देन कम्स द नो टैक्स कैंपेन. फिर नो टैक्स कैंपेन आया. द पीपल आर डायरेक्टेड नॉट टू पे लैंड रेवेन्यू टू द अनजस्ट रेड मैन. They should remain peaceful and non-violent. Even if their fields and crops and cattle and houses are auctioned and occupied, they remain non-violent in the beginning, but soon violence breaks out. Soon violence breaks out. So, violence was there. बहुत ज़्यादा रेडमैन उन पर अत्याचार कर रहे थे, पुलिस अत्याचार करने लगी गांव वालों पर। देयर आर मर्सिलेस लाठी चार्जेस, बहुत मर्सिलेस, बहुत क्रूरता के साथ लाठी चार्ज करने लगी पुलिस। एंड इवन शूटिंग्स, गोली चलाने लगी। द एटमोसफियर रिजाउंड्स विद श्रीकिंग एंड क्राइंग एज वेल एज विद शाउट्स ऑफ महात्मा गांधी की जय। लेकिन पूरा गांव बहुत उत्साह के साथ महात्मा गांधी की जय के नारे बोल रहा था। द विलेजर्स पुट अप a brave resistance, but ultimately they are compelled to flee. The villagers put up a brave resistance. Their morale is broken. They have to leave Kanthapura, trudge along for miles over unknown territory, and finally find shelter in a remote village. They have been defeated, but in their very defeat lies their victory. Their brave resistance has given a jolt to the government, and as such jolts were being administered all over the country, the British government was bound to be shaken and overthrown in course of time. और इसी तरह से आंदोलन चलता रहा और लोगों को गांव से बाहर जाना पड़ा किसी अननोन टेरिटरी में, किसी अननोन जगह पर। एक तरह से वो हार गए थे, लेकिन हार में भी उनकी जीत छुपी हुई थी, क्योंकि वो इतने ब्रेव हो चुके थे और ब्रेवरी से गवर्नमेंट के अत्याचारों का सामना कर रहे थे लोग। और इसी तरह से एक दिन ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को झुकना पड़ा। इट वॉज सो ओवरथ्रोन इन 1947। हम सभी जानते हैं कि 1947 में भारत आज़ाद हो गया था, अंग्रेज़ों की गुलामी से मुक्त हो गया था। ये सब कुछ लोगों के आंदोलनों का नतीजा था, गांधी जी के आंदोलनों का नतीजा था, अहिंसा का और गांव वालों के बहादुरी का। कंथापुरा विलेज का भी इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा योगदान था। एंड द ब्रिटिश वर फोर्स्ड टू विड्रॉ। The heroic struggle of the people of Kanthapura is thus a milestone in India's march towards independence. इस तरह से जो हीरोइक स्ट्रगल था, बहुत बहादुरी पूर्ण तरीके से स्ट्रगल किया, हर चीज़ का, टैक्स का विरोध किया, सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह किया, दांडी मार्च किया, अहिंसा आंदोलन, सभी आंदोलनों में कंथापुरा गांव के लोगों ने बहुत बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लिया। तो इस तरह से कंथापुरा विलेज एक माइलस्टोन हो गया इंडिया के इंडिपेंडेंस की हिस्ट्री में। इट बिकेम अ माइलस्टोन, इट टर्न्ड अ माइलस्टोन। सो it is the story of Kanthapura novel in short, and we see that Kanthapura as a typical Indian village. The novel opens with an account of the situation, the locale of the village. Kanthapura is a village in Mysore in the province of Kara. As I told you, Kanthapura is a South Indian village and it is situated in Mysore and in the province of Kara. It is situated in the valley of Himavati. There it lies curled up like a child on its mother's lap. This is a very beautiful description of the valley of Himavati, that it is lies and it is curled up like a child on its mother's lap. This village has a complex structure. It has 420 houses in the Brahmin quarter. इस गांव का एक बड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर बताया गया है इस कहानी में राजा राव के द्वारा, कि इसमें कितने हैं, 420 हाउसेस ब्राह्मण के हैं। इट हैज़ ए परिया क्वार्टर टू, परिया क्वार्टर भी है इसमें, अ पॉटर्स क्वार्टर, अ वीवर्स क्वार्टर एंड अ शूद्रास क्वार्टर। शूद्रों का, वीवर का, पॉटर्स का, इन सभी के घर इसमें बने हुए हैं। कांथापुरा इज शोन just as a typical Indian villages are. As I told you earlier that there are so many characters in the novel, so main characters I told you is मूर्ति द गांधीयन मैन, ही इज़ प्रोटेगोनिस्ट। मैंने बताई है आपको पूरी कहानी, मूर्ति को किस तरह से गांधी जी के विचारों को गांव में फैलाने का काम मूर्ति ने किया। गांधी इज़ द प्रोटेगोनिस्ट। गांधी जी के विचारों को पूरे गांव में कांग्रेस का सेटअप किया, कांग्रेस की स्थापना की गांव में, कंथापुरा गांव में। अचक्का इज़ द ओल्ड विडो, she is the narrator in this novel. Bade Khan, police officer, Sahib and new Sahib, Ratna and Rangamma. Ratna is a she is a young lady, she is an educated lady. I told you all about Ratna. Kanchamma is most important, the goddess in Kanthapura. Kanchamma इस गांव की देवी हैं। किसी भी विपत्ति के समय गांव वाले कंचम्मा की शरण में चले जाते हैं। और अदर कैरेक्टर्स भी है। आई विल टेल यू ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो। कंथापुरा पर मैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आगे दूसरे टॉपिक्स को भी डिस्कस करूंगी, कैरेक्टर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, और गांधीयन आइडियोलॉजी को डिस्कस करेंगे, और the other main important questions also I will discuss in my next videos. Thank you very much.